Okay boys, we're here with the 1997 Retro Cougar. It's a 550 liquid cooled. She's been sitting in the garage since the late spring. And I think I forgot I hadn't put it away for the summer. I think I was thinking that I was putting it away for the summer, but I think in my mind I was planning to start it up regularly over the summertime. So here we go. I'm gonna give it a go. And on this little choke. Normally this thing is a clean runner. She starts all the time. This is probably going to take, I say 10, 12 pulls. We'll see what we get. There's 9. Let's have a look, see. See if we're getting any fuel in there. What's going on? Looks like fuel is getting all of the carburetor, so it should fire. Did I call that or what? Half choke?
I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and let's get it up. Secure the bike and get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and let's get it up. Secure the bike and get the bus. I'm on the just red songs. My love in your eardrums. I ain't no scared like Pro Rush.
Okay, there we go. We're back. There is a picture of the Retro Cougar sitting right beside the El Tigre. We'll, we might as well get them both going just for the hell of it, eh? Stand by one. Sponsored by Steve Whistle.
Fitted up. Hop in my car.
This is my favorite part. Up, boys. There's the girls. Ready to go. We'll be ready to rock for snow whenever it comes. Probably, in my neck of the woods, you're lucky if, late December you can get out for an actual real ride. But other than that, we'll see how it goes. Alright, peace out, boys.
I remember nice sauce poured up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag.
Okay. Little bonus footage here. I'm feeling good. Smell two. I'm not gonna lie. Smell two strokes really getting me horny. Horny for a winter. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of a behind the scenes kind of guy. Show you how things I do, screw things up, and awesome stuff too. It's all new. Gotta start somewhere.